This is one of my music box that I use for entertaining and others. It got spoiled. Guess what? I didn't send it to any repair shop. I did it myself. This is how it started. Welcome back to Tutorials with Fred. Here is Tech with Fred. If this is the first time watching my channel or my video, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button, put it to all, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get notification on your phone. Be the first person to watch, comment and share the video, like the video, and anything you don't understand, any question, just put it at the comment section. I will have time and answer you and discuss it. Be part of the family. So today, what am I going to teach you? Today we are going to learn something about how you can fix all your gadgets at home, how you can repair it yourself. You don't need to send it to any repair shop. You can do it yourself with just your phone. If you have this phone or your Android phone, you are free to go. Yes, you are going to a website or any browser of your choice. Just go there and learn how to repair gadgets. I'm going to share my screen with you. So on your phone, we are going to use any browser of your choice, either Google Chrome or Google itself. So we are going to use Google itself. Now we are going to search for ifixit.com. ifixit.com. Yes, ifixit. ifixit.com. It will open for you. When it opens for you, anything that is spoiled, either your mobile phone, your music box, your iron, your fan, anything that has spoiled, you can just fix it yourself by just going to this website, learn the procedures and do it yourself. You don't need to send it to any repair shop for them to take your money. It is time for you to learn something. So just go to this website and go to ifixit.com. It will open for you. Anything you want to fix, anything you want to repair, it is there for you. Now when you open the website, this is how it is. This is the interface. Now we have phone repair, we have repair guides, Android phone repair, car and truck repair, PC repair, all parts. Yes, we have it there. So what are you waiting for? Now let's take it one by one. Now phone repair. When you go to phone repair, when you click on phone repair, it will open for you like this. Any type of phone that is spoiled, any type of phone that you are using and it is not working, what is the problem? It is there for you to fix the problem. Now if you open it, we have all kinds of phone here. We have the guides, we have the techniques, everything, every cable that you are looking for, it is here. Right, so when you open like this, we have 12 categories of the Acer laptop. So which one are you using? Now you can just come right here. You can just come right here. Maybe the battery is not working, or the RAM is not working, or the USB port is not working. So let's take for instance, the battery is not working. So what are you going to do? So we click on this one, the replacement guide. Now it will open for you like this. Now the introduction, you just need to read it yourself. For the sake of the length of the video, you can read it yourself. Now instruction 1, step 1, the battery. You say turn off the laptop by holding the power button for 7 seconds. Now then by reaching step 6, you can fix what the problem is. Step 6 is remove the battery from the laptop. If you don't know how to change your laptop battery, ifixit.com will guide you step by step to change your battery or to fix your RAM, any problem that you are facing with any gadget, anything. Just come to ifixit.com. I hope this video will help you. This video will help you to build your skills so that you never lack anything in life. Follow Tech with Fred on YouTube. Anytime I upload video, you get notification on your phone. Thank you.